How to overclock CPU? How? Hey tech enthusiasts, are you ready to push the limits of your computer? Today, we're diving into the electrifying world of CPU overclocking. Overclocking your CPU is like turbocharging your car's engine. It's all about getting that extra horsepower for a performance boost. So, what is overclocking? It's the art of making your CPU run faster than its factory setting. Think of it as unlocking hidden potential. Imagine your games running smoother, your renders finishing quicker, and your simulations racing ahead. That's the power of overclocking. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Overclocking can heat things up and may shorten your CPU's lifespan. Always proceed with caution. You'll need reliable software for stress testing, like Prime 95 or Cinebench, and a good cooling system. Step 1. Enter your BIOS. Step 2. Gradually increase the CPU multiplier. Small steps are key. Step 3. Test for stability. No crashes. Good. Step 4. Monitor temperatures. Keep it cool to keep it safe. There you have it. Overclocking can be a game changer. Be patient, be safe, and enjoy the thrill of pushing boundaries. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your overclocking stories. Stay tuned for more tech adventures.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a